screech like that?
Screech
I
owl.
do. I do. I love when you screech. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Are you going to screech for us? Are you going to screech? Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. Here's the monkey.
Maybe I should take the tag off of it.
Oh,
What do you think about that?
sure. Just don't
I know.
let the little piece get... Let me get scissors,
Mimi.
buddy. I have to give Papa instructions.
Papa has lived his whole life with instructions from Mimi.
We have audio on, Wayne.
Well, it's the truth.
It's the monkey.
The mouth on that monkey is scary.
It's the monkey. Moo. Do you like the monkey up here? Do you? Do you like the monkey? Do you like the monkey? What? You gonna talk to Mimi? Go ahead. What do you want to say on your 3rd month birthday? What do you want to say? Huh? What do you think? What do you want to say? Huh?
She's a wiggler. You're a wiggler.
What do you wanna
Happy
say?
birthday to
To
me. Happy birthday to you.
you. Happy birthday, dear Abigail, 3 months old. Happy birthday to you. I know. I know. What? We got the arms and the legs going. Yes. The arms and the legs going. What?
I'm getting in my cardio.
What? Uh-huh. What else? What? What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
I'm practicing my backstroke.
You excited? You excited? Are we gonna go to the swimming pool?
The swimming pool?
Swimming pool.
That sounds like something out of Jed Clampett.
Wanna go to the swimming pool? Abby Joe?
Abigail, it's the swimming pool.
The swimming pool, Abby Joe?
Goodness gracious.
Uh-huh. It's supposed to clear up this afternoon and be nice. I think we should go. What do you think? What do you think? I think so. We'll put on your swimmy and your swimsuit and your hat. And Papa will blow up your little contraption. Mm-hmm. Yeah. What do you think? Wow, look at you go. Look at you go.